What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Kevin Love. Here's a special request from T Rizzle. He wanted to see my little Hoover Sprint. Here she is. The reason I call it the little Hoover Sprint is because I have two Hoover Sprints. The big Hoover Sprint is the one with the cutout for hose and attachments, which I do have. And this is the one that does not have a cutout for hose and attachments, so I call this one the little Sprint. He requested this video quite some time ago, so my bad for just now getting to it, my man. But here it is. I hope y'all doing okay out there, man. Anyway, here it is. Hoover Sprint. All right, there it is, Hoover Sprint. Come check her out. It's your boy Kevin Love, and I'm out. Peace.